Hello, welcome to the KlinKode ShipRight app tutorial series. Today I'll show you how to hide any shipping methods for Cart Subtotal using the ShipRight app. First, go to the ShipRight app. Click on the Add a New Rule button. Now click on the Add a New Condition button. Select the Cart Subtotal option. Now set the Hide if more than field to $200. Now give it a rule name for your reference. Add your desired shipping methods under the Select Shipping Methods field. I have selected Standard Shipping. Now click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, the Standard Shipping option is gone. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the ShipRight app. Happy selling!